Hello pals, it's Haley and Jessica and Jackson again with a room tour of the 1-bedroom condo at Polynesian Isles Resort in Orlando, Florida. And this is a diamond resort. We've got a nice kitchen here. Let's see what all we got. Has a big cabinet with a bowl. Pots and pans, everything you need to make a nice dinner in there. Got a nice Whirlpool stainless steel fridge, ice maker, plenty of storage in there. Let's see what's up above the fridge. Whole bunch more storage. We've got a toaster, can opener, some glassware, baking dishes and such, some cooking utensils. What else do we have? Baking pan, cheese grater, a nice Whirlpool stove here, very nice, microwave, probably some storage up there. I'm a little short to reach there. Cups, bowls, plates, blender, coffee maker. Let's see what we got. You want to make some tea? There you go. There's a pitcher to make some tea. Underneath the sink, we've got a recycling bin and some paper towels, laundry detergent, dish detergent, stuff like that. Nice dishwasher here. A nice island that came with some Zephyr Hills water. Let's see what we got here. Just some storage space. Well, here's the trash can. That's nifty. Does it pull out? Who knows? But it's in there. And then nothing on this back side. As soon as you come in, you've got a nice bathroom here. It's got a stand-up shower, a little toilet, a couple towels. Let's see what else. This closet, you got a nice closet with some hangers, vacuum. Never know when you might need that. Kitchen again. Now we're entering into the dining room area. Have some nice bar stools up here. Nice table. 6 chairs. Over here we've got the washer and dryer, ironing board. Looks like there's a broom and a little mop. Also have the AC unit and like hot water heater and stuff. And we go into the living room. It doesn't have a very nice full-size mirror here. What's up? That's the bedroom. We'll go in there in just a moment. Have the living room. Got a little table here. Pretty big size TV. The TV stand. Got a nice chair there. Some end tables. Sofa. Little footstools, not really sure what they call those. Another chair, and this is a pull-out bed or pull-out sofa, which is pretty nice. You got the sheets down under there. It feels really comfy. That's a really pretty painting behind there. Then we come out to the porch, which has 2 entrances. You've got this one off of the living room, and then you've got one off of the bedroom. And it is a screened-in porch, which is nice. It will keep those mosquitoes away. But out here you've got a nice table with chairs. We got some chairs over there with a little round table. And these loungers over here, they look pretty comfortable. And it looks like there's a tennis court over there. Not sure what that little building is. Probably some facilities building. But we're right here at the property edge. Let's see if we can see what's this way. Probably just some more, yes, another condo building over there. Now let's head into the bedroom. Like I said, there's 2 entrances, screened in porch. Very nice. Stay out of the weather and keep the bugs out. And here is the bed. Looks like a king size bed. Got some 2 end tables over there. Nice size TV in here as well, with a pretty good sized dresser. Got the remote with all the channels. And then this takes you back to the kitchen and living room area. Got this really nice area here. It's got a little bench and a huge mirror. And then they have a walk-in closet with your pool towels. Let's see if I can find the light. Got your pool towels, some hangers, a suitcase rack, safe. Really big walk-in closet. See if I can, like, touching the wall, and there's no way I could even touch that wall if I tried. This thing is huge. There's another shot of the bed. It has this nice ceiling fan that's like up recessed into the ceiling. It's pretty cool. Got some recessed lighting, another nice painting. There's that cool sitting area. Then we go into the bathroom. On this master, it has 2 sinks here. Huge mirror again. Got some towels, wash rags, extra toilet paper. Looks like a hair dryer. Let's see what else we got on this side. Nothing but storage area on this side. And then right behind, there's this little wall here. That's where the toilet is. And then we've got a bidet. I mean, you never know. You may want that on your trip. It may be something you're looking for, but I'm not too interested in it. And then it has this huge shower. Like, this thing is massive. Unfortunately, there's no lighting in here, which I think is a little weird, but handle, you can get up in there. It's huge. Like, he was staying at the back here. Like, I'm reaching my arm out and I can just barely reach where the handle is. Like, there's a whole nother section over here. It's like you could have a party in there. It's got this nice glass door with it too. Whoa! Yeah. Toilet, bidet, huge mirrors. They have so many mirrors that are just massive in this place. It's insane. But yeah, that is the tour of the 1-bedroom condo here at Polynesian Isles, which is a Diamond Resort property. We've stayed at many Diamond Resort properties, but based off of the room alone, this is definitely our favorite so far. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and we'll see you soon.